Once upon a time, in a land far away, there was a magical town named Kindville. In this town, every house was made of candy and every street was lined with rainbow-colored flowers. But the most special thing about Kindville was Ironheart, a kind-hearted iron giant who lived in the heart of the town. Ironheart was not like the other giants. He was made of iron, but he had a heart that was as warm as the sun. He would spend his days helping the townsfolk with their chores, sharing stories with the children, and making sure everyone was happy. One day, a great storm came to Kindville. The wind blew so hard that it broke the tallest candy house. The townsfolk were worried and felt helpless. But Ironheart, with his strong arms and kind heart, decided to help. He wrapped his iron arms around the broken house and slowly, carefully, he lifted it back into place. The townsfolk cheered and thanked Ironheart for his help. But Ironheart just smiled and said, "It's what we do in Kindville, we help each other." From that day on, Ironheart became even more loved and respected in Kindville. He continued to help, to share, and to spread kindness. And the townsfolk lived happily ever after, knowing that they had a friend in Ironheart. Before the sun set, Ironheart would always sit by the town square, watching the children play and listening to their laughter. He knew that as long as he was there, Kindville would always be a place of kindness and love. And so, the tale of Ironheart spread far and wide, teaching everyone about the power of a kind heart, no matter how hard and strong you might be on the outside. And wherever you go, remember, be like Ironheart, kind and helpful, and the world will be a better place. Good night.